Hey, good morning, all fellow campers. How are y'all? Hey, little tip of the day. You see, I got some morning sun coming in here. Got my curtain here off to the back, but you can see this morning sun is coming in. It's starting to hit my face here, and boy, it really burns the face. And this can happen in the evening too. When you get the evening sun gets a little horizon, and so I just pull my curtain forward. It's one reason I like to have curtains. It's pulled forward right now where I can still fully see the rear view mirror through the side window. It's not blocking my view out the rear mirror. I can see through the curtain if I look sideways, since this is my sheer curtain. But you can see how much it just blocks that sun coming in, hitting my face. It just makes it so much more enjoyable while driving. It just takes that heat away. As you can see, when I pull this back, it's a little maybe difficult to tell, but you can see that all that brightness, hitting my face, and it's rough, right? So just pulling this forward just a little bit, just blocks out. You can see how it just blocks out that sun on my face, just gives it a little bit of shading, and that really helps a lot to keep that sunburn and the heat down from your body while driving at those times when we've got a lot of heat coming in from the side of us, particularly the driver's side, because it's pretty much like we're always getting burned on this side, right? The sun never really is that low while we're driving, hitting our right side. It's always hitting our left side here in North America. So that's my tip of the day. It's partly why I love to have these sheer curtains around the front here. Something you really can't do easily or well or as safely with a window blind. And I can still keep my windows popped down too, even with this blind pulled, and get a little bit of ventilation while getting the shading from the curtains. So that's my tip of the day. Hope that's good for you and helpful to you, and you're getting out and enjoying adventures and seeing a lot of this beautiful land and country that we're fortunate to be able to explore and see in our vehicles and camp out, as I just did last night. All right, cheers.